absolutely decimated today, closing down 15.49% on the daily session. Is it all downhill for this IPO? Or is it going to get an epic dead cat bounce to the new all-time highs? Let's look at the intraday price action to dissect things. So overall, the intraday price action, our subscribers and members in the live stream today were able to catch a beautiful put play, a 235 put that went deep in the money, all called out free in our live stream. We have officially triggered a 15-minute head and shoulders pattern on CRCL, and it's a pretty nasty one, I will say that. This does likely yield and give us more downside, but the question is, which way are we going to go? Are we going to get a move back up or a move down first? So with a 180 target or 189 target on tap for this potential head and shoulders pattern, the big level that the bulls want to get above is your prior day low sitting at 232.48. If CRCL can get back above 232 prior day low, then we could back test the neckline, which would be around 255 to 258. The big level though for the bulls is to recapture and negate this bear pattern. If you can get back above this neckline, then we're going to press for new all-time highs. If you get rejected here, then it's all over and down she goes. Now, what's important is we need to look at Coinbase. Coinbase has had some incredible momentum on the back of Circle. Obviously, Coinbase has been one of the stronger stocks in the market, going from this breakout 260 all the way up to 344 plus. Mind-blowingly strong. Is Coinbase going to run out of momentum here? Time will certainly tell. But Coinbase has kind of had this 1-2 punch where it had momentum from Circle and now it has momentum from the crypto market. You look at what Bitcoin is doing right now. Bitcoin is recapturing some of the key bullish moving averages. I've been bullish on Bitcoin. It's defended support. It looks like it's at least at the minimum going to test the high of this channel around 109 and then potentially getting a spike higher move around 114, 115. So all eyes will be on Circle for a potential continuation short, but Coinbase and MicroStrategy and crypto are certainly looking like they could push higher in the near term.